Rules that govern these types of facilities, they have pretty much remained stagnant.
Brendan Blake with AARP Arizona has long pushed for tougher penalties for facilities with safety violations.
We have been working on that for the last 3 years, and fortunately, starting July 1st, we were able to get those fines increased, and we believe that it will bring a lot more accountability to this space.
What were the previous fines and what are they at now?
The fines previously were $500 maximum per infraction. Now they are doubled to $1,000 per infraction, and the department has leeway based on the history of a facility to be able to charge that fine per resident impacted.
Changes also include more training requirements and stricter reporting timelines.
There is now going to be additional training for memory care specifically. Folks wandering away from a facility, we've made it so that way there are more strict regulations around that.
Now they're renewing their push for a bill that died in the state legislature last year that would allow families to install cameras inside residents' rooms to monitor care.
I think that it's just important that facilities have the technology needed to be able to monitor their premises, so that way you're able to prevent things like this from happening.
HIPAA, the federal health privacy law, doesn't explicitly ban or approve in-room cameras at long-term care facilities, but it does protect any footage that contains identifiable health information. At the very least, Blake believes cameras should be in common areas. We are told Linda Hughes had managed to access an outdoor courtyard before she died on Monday.
If we're talking about doors that are locked or a staff that is around to be able to monitor these things, or whether it's cameras that the facilities use to check on folks in common areas, this is something that I believe should be preventable.
AARP Arizona says it will now be working closely with lawmakers to reintroduce the bill allowing cameras in the next legislative session. It's a story we'll continue to follow closely. Reporting here in Phoenix, outside the state capitol, Alexis Dominguez for Arizona's Family.